Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial lesson. And so today I'll be playing Made Away by Travis Greene. Okay, the song is in B, alright, but I'm going to be playing on C transpose. Let's play the song and get to the tutorial, guys. Let's go. Made away, don't know how, but it did it. Made away, standing here, no know how we'll get through this day, but holding on to faith, you know that, but nothing can catch you by surprise. You've got this tension, and what you know now, you made a way. You made a way. When I back against the wall, I will look at if it was over. You made a way. I was standing here only because you made a way. You move mountains, you got walls to fall, you got power before miracle. There is nothing that's impossible. I'm standing here only because you. Okay guys, it's a simple one. It's not that too difficult, so I'm gonna go straight to the chord progressions of the song. Okay, so we start with one. Okay, so one, right, made away, one. Then now we go to the two. All right, now I've inverted two, that's D minor. This first inversion, I play D up now. All right, then I come back to one. All right, then I go to five. So made away, don't know two, don't know how, but a one and five, G major and F major, standing one. Okay, go to one, we go to two again. No, how would get. All right, go to three minor, that's E minor, inversion. All right, inversion. All right, through this stage one, and five and four. All right, but no, and one and five, there you go. But holding on, okay, two again, holding on, three minor, holding on to faith, you know that, one and five. Now again, E minor, D minor, two, nothing can, two, three now, catch you by surprise, go to six. All right, surprise, you've got five, you've got this, two again, figured out two, and watching us now for one, who made a way. So you made a way is a one and five and four, and one and five and four. All right, now and one I was playing Right, so I was playing added 4. Okay, so I played added C. All right, now broken inverted G. All right, so it's B and a G. All right, this F added 9. All right, this C added 9. All right. Now, when I back work in the world, now 2 2 2 2 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 5. Now 2 and 1 and 1 1 1 1 1 5. You made a way. All right. The other part, you move mountains. Okay. Do ti re do mi re fa mi. All right. Mi so mi so. So it didn't 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 5 and 1. Didn't with your 4 4 4 4 4 and 5 and 6 and 3 and 2 2 1 1 5 1 4 and 5 and 2 2 1 1 4 and 5 and 1 4 4 4 4 5 and 1. Alright guys, I hope you learned something. Do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.